There's someone at the door. Thank you. I got a package! Hi dear friends, today we're going to make this monster. It's going to be a little tricky, but I'm going to do it all by myself. Okay, we need yarn, stickers, a pipe cleaner, googly eyes, and stickers there, say that? Yes. And a U shape. And plus we need scissors. To make this furry guy. It's going to be a little hard, but you can try this at home if you have the right things. And I got this from the Kiwi crate. Okay, first we need this U shape, the stickers, and the yarn. So let's begin. Okay, so I'm going to place this here. I'm gonna need a sticker. This is the time when you need stickers. You can use any kind of sticker, just make sure it's strong and it can't fall off. Yes, I got it. And now the best part, we wrap it up. Okay, I'm gonna need to remove this. It's gonna get a little messy. Might fall over, but it's okay. It happened to me many times. So just be careful, because this is gonna get crazy. Wee-bee-diddy. So I'm wrapping it around. Don't do it too tight, just do it perfect. Like this. Just wrap it and wrap it like you're wrapping a baby in a blanket. Not too hard, not too loose, just perfect. Like a warm hot cocoa on a winter cold day. Okay, so this can be a little hard when you get to the end, but it will be worth it. Big chunk. This is gonna be a big furry creature. After this, I'm gonna have two big furry creatures. Tangled. It's normal for the yarn to get tangled. Tangled again. Okay, first we need to untangle this and untangle it. Now we can continue doing our awesome monster. Wait, this way. And then it says, just leave it there. Okay, we're gonna need this. Did I go through? And now we're gonna wrap it. Okay, this is gonna be a little hard, but I think you'll be able to do it. Okay, so now that I've done this, I'm gonna have to put the scissors through. I know it's gonna be a big change. I think I can manage this. Okay, we cut it all up, and now we have to curl the antennas. Yeah, it will be fun when we curl the antennas. Oh, scary monster. This monster will be the mama's baby. If you want, you can trim your monster, but it's okay if you don't. Okay, I have to make a face. Okay, I think it will be better here. No, it won't. I think here will be better. I'll just put the eyes right there. Figalo. Okay. Just need to do this, and then ta-da! It's a complete monster. So you can make more if you like. Call dibs. This one's mom. This one's me. Okay, hi Care fans. So since we already made these creatures in my last video, we're going to make the monster grabber. This is the first step of making it. So watch me carefully and you'll be able to do it too. So this is some kind of guide that helps you make it. So I'm gonna get a sticker and stick it here. And have to do others as well, of course. And I'll stick it here. Here. And stick it here. Then we'll turn it around and then you can stick stuff. And then we're just gonna stick these screws on that stick. Stick. So we did that, and now we're going to get this in tight here. Okay, so now we're going to put this in here. It's here. And now we're moving on to the next step, making the claw. The one that gets the monster, gets it. Monster grab. In the middle. We're going to build it. It's the next step. It's going to be so much fun. Try to do this. But if you can't, that's okay. You can have help from your parents. Okay, so now we're going to put this string through this tube. Okay. And the monster grabber is officially done. So this is how it works. Okay, I'm just going to catch a monster right now. I'm gonna go for the baby. I got it! I got the baby. Ah, it fell. Goodbye, everybody.
You need to say.
Karebella Out. Okay. Bye, Care fans. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, be yourself and never, ever, ever change. Karebella Out. Bye.